Srečen, da kar fejst, ker je debo. In ne samo, da je ta zrastel, drugače gleda, kako se je odprl, pa zrastel. Razlike v 4 dneh, to je pa sneg. What a nice Joey. Jurček, he is still living and he's still standing. He's got little brother. That means that he's already 10 days old. It was heavy rainfall today. 11th day of filming. Amazing. Porcini grows. 12th day of filming for his. Amazing. 13. dan snemanja, 7:30 AM, and he's slowly dying. 2 degrees. Rast jurčka, 14. dan snemanja. He's getting really old. True grandpa. Rast jurčka, 15. dan. Each day I think it's his last. But it's funny how after all 15 days he's still here. He's still standing. As if he's immortal. I try not to go too close because I know that underneath this soil is very important stuff for him to survive. But just look at this beautiful thing. 15 days old. I would have never imagined it the first day I saw it. And look. This is 5 days old. 5 days, 15 days. Amazing. 16. snemalni dan, 16 filming day. All these dead branches are protecting the joeys. Otherwise the deer would eat them, as the cow would eat. So yeah, my footage could be much better. Without mowing, without these vibrations. But then the deer could come and eat it. So it's better to have slightly worse footage and the joey is safe than to have better footage and joey will be eaten because the dead branches are away. And I'm also laying down because I shouldn't go too close, as I mentioned before. Wow. 17 filming day of the same portion. Unbelievable. Amazing, another day and he's still here. Unbelievable. Rast jurcka, snemalni dan 19. Night and filming day. And this one, check previous videos. I think it's 9th day. I don't know.